Hi everybody, happy Sunday. Welcome back to Caddy Garage. So day number 2 with our hearse here. We're going to try pre-oiling here in a little bit. Just want to see if that will continue to help. We did discover last night that we do have a valve that is sticking a little bit, probably just because it has sat for a while. So I'm not entirely sure if it's going to be a rebuild or if it's just going to be continuing to lubricate things and moving them nice and slow, things like that. I should be hearing from my motor guy tomorrow. He's closed on the weekends, so can't wait to get that phone call and just kind of discuss a few things with him, pick his brain a little bit. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in as always. Let's get started. Okay everybody, so you're gonna take your distributor hold down off and then just wiggle and turn and get this out easily and gently. Just don't want to do too much more turning over of the motor until we have some more lubrication on the inside of it. Get this undone here, stuck. All right, there we go.
So here we have our little drive on a battery powered drill with a piece of hose attached to your oil pump drive in the bottom. Just gonna slip that over that and turn it counterclockwise. That's the way it turns. Oil pressure light, we're just going to spin it for a little while. That should give us some lubrication inside, just to spread some oil around.
Alright guys, so we have our valve cover off and it's number 1 exhaust valve that is sticking a little bit. So we're just going to continue after we did our pre-oiling to just gently turn.
Now it's going down.
And there's that noise we were hearing yesterday that we're not liking.
It came up. See it coming back there, stuck too.
And that one. They're all sticking, yeah. Yeah, so definitely not liking the way that's sounding. I mean, it's not, you know, you're definitely getting valve train noise. So again, if you're going to...
well, the valves are sticking open.
Yeah. We want this car to be, you know, in daily driver condition. So I'm pretty much seeing that this is making our decision rather easy, that it will be a rebuild.
At least tear down and inspect and mic to see if it has been rebuilt.
Yeah, but again, though, while you have the motor out, you're going to do it before you put it back in. So anyway, if somebody didn't know what we were talking about today, I hope this gives you a little bit of knowledge so that you can see the inside of everything working. Like I said, I'm still super happy with this car. Just a little bit more time, money, work, things like that. But, you know, once it gets rebuilt, we'll have a completely, practically brand new drivetrain. So that'll be a good thing. All right, everybody, there's your update for the day. Have a good rest of your Sunday. And have a blessed evening tonight. Bye, guys.